First we remove this 10mm nut right here. Next, remove the bracket. Lift up and twist it so it unhooks from here. And remove that piece. Carefully lift up the old battery. Next, lower the new battery in place carefully. Make sure that it's sitting properly on the tray. We will connect the top bracket. First we'll insert it over here. Turn it and then lock it in place. Make sure it doesn't come off. Then reinstall this 10mm nut. Just tighten it until it's the battery secure. You don't want to over tighten this bolt right here, otherwise you can crack the battery housing.